Okay, we're going to do some basic math and physics things here because we're going to do some. There's a couple of flat earthers who think they're good at it, and we're going to do, even with one of them saying they have an IQ of 160. Okay, we're going to do the derivative, which is one of the fundamental things of calculus, and it's basically the slope of a tangent line to a curve. It's used to measure the instantaneous change in anything like velocity or movement or charge. And there's the basic formula. Okay, some things to know. There's several different ways to note what a derivative is. It's either the d over dx or the f prime x or x dot. The dx and the f prime x, those are from two different creators of calculus, Leibniz and Newton. And they actually got in a fight over who created calculus, even though they helped each other out. And it was mostly a national pride thing. Leibniz was from part of Germany called Hanover, Brunswick. And Newton was, of course, from England. And but the thing is the king of Hanover, Brunswick eventually became the king of England. So they're eventually ruled by the same person. So if you have a function like f to the 2x, and you want to know what the derivative is, you can plug it in, and you do the math, limit. And I got things backwards on one of these. And then you just work it out, and you get 2. And if you do x squared, you go put it in. And the lighting was probably not great here. And then you put it through. Again, I messed it up a little bit. And you get 2x. And you can eventually do it for trig functions. And you have to use identities because it's a little funky. And Hopital's rule. And you get, for starting off with cos of x, you eventually get negative sine x. And what's this important for is the change in position over time. You get velocity, the change of velocity over time, you get acceleration. And charge over time, you get current or amperage. And this works for different things as well, but this is one of the fundamental things in calculus. It took me a while to figure this out, get hang of this, but this is just one of the fundamental things for math, and you probably need this to know some of the physics. Okay, have a good day. Bye.